Hey everybody, ScruffMcGruff here with a bird that just flew into a wall. I just kinda was walking past, heard a thud, and watched it fall to the ground. So, I don't know if it's hurt or not. It got up and flew a little bit, but then it was just kinda in this corner here. But, I don't really know what to do with this bird, because it's just kinda sitting here. What is it, like a dove? I think it's a dove. But I kinda want to touch it. But I might not, because it might not be the best idea. I'm touching a bird. I'm now holding a bird in my hands. Why? I don't know. But this is pretty interesting. Haven't done anything like this before. Wonder how far I can take it. Or if I should take it anywhere. I don't know. I hope this isn't a bad idea. I mean, I don't know really what I've got myself into with this bird. But, I don't know. I mean, you don't look too bad off. Maybe a little shaken up from flying into a wall and all. But other than that, you seem fine. There's your friends over there flying away. Now this is interesting, because now I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this bird. And I'm holding it. I don't know if I should put it down or keep walking with it. Or maybe I'll find somebody who will know what to do with a bird that flew into a wall. But I doubt it, because it's the weekend and there's nobody here. Yeah, this is something else. I came out here expecting to make a video, but I definitely did not come out here expecting to make a video about a bird that I'm holding in my hands. Now I have a camera in one hand and a bird in another hand, and there's some people over there that probably think I'm insane. Maybe I'll talk to them about my bird that I found. No, I doubt they want to hear from me. But, I don't know. This is interesting. I guess this bird will probably take off and fly away after a while. I mean, it doesn't seem to be injured at all. It seems a little off balance, actually. But it's just the way my hand is. Yeah, it seems like a fine bird. I guess it'll just take off when it wants to. Assuming it can. Because I don't really want to have my hand out with this bird on it forever. I mean, I have to go back inside sometime, right? I don't know, it's a pretty nice day. I could probably stay out here until it gets dark, but I'm not going to, because I don't feel like entertaining this bird or my stupid audience that actually watches these videos. So, yeah, I guess I'll just be walking around with this pigeon. This isn't a pigeon, this is a dove. Sorry. But, yeah, maybe I'll find somebody who actually will not ignore me and keep walking. Because I have to do something with this bird. My bird got away from me. Seems fine though, more or less. Maybe I can get him again. Don't hide under a car. Yeah, I got bird scuzz on my hand. Where'd you go? There you are. Well, I guess this is where I part with my bird, because I can't get him out from under this car. I mean, I suppose I could try a little harder, but I don't really know what I was gonna do with a bird anyway. I'd have to release him somewhere. Alright, just encountered campus security, and they were wondering what I was doing because I was looking around that car trying to get my bird. So I had to explain to somebody that I found a bird, crashed into a wall, and I wanted to hang out with a bird because that's how cool I am. So, yeah, they told me I should probably wash my hands, which I knew already because that's how cool I am. And, yeah, I guess that's gonna end this video because that's how cool this video is. It ends with me ending it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye. Looks like there's some people back at that car over there, and I think they found my bird, but I really hope they don't run him over because that bird is my friend. Don't run over my bird, okay? Alright, bye.